see that phone in your hand, the coffee you drink every morning, the clothes you are wearing right now? Chances are they all came to you by ship. Yet these people behind this massive engine of global trade, seafarers, remain mostly invisible. So today we bring them into spotlight. They keep the world running. Over 90% of global trade moves by sea. Food, fuel, medicines, electronics, all of it. No seafarers means no ships. No ships means no economy. It's that simple. They miss out on life. While we celebrate birthdays, weddings and festivals, seafarers are out at sea, away from home. Some haven't seen their kids grow up, but they keep it going for their families and for us. They navigate dangerous weather storms, towering waves, long nights. It's not a cruise, it's hard, risky, and exhausting. Yet they sail on because the world doesn't stop needing supplies. They sail through pirate and war zones. Yes, piracy is real, hostage situations are real, but they don't turn away. They know the route is risky, but they sail it anyway because someone has to do it. They handle illness alone. Imagine falling sick or breaking your bone in middle of ocean with no doctor around. They train for this. They help each other. They keep the ship running. They navigate complex laws. Each country a ship visits has its own rules, sometimes unfair. Seafarers have been jailed, fined, and abandoned, even when they did nothing wrong, but they keep going. They work round the clock. No weekends, no fixed hours, sometimes 18 hours a day with no breaks and no shore leave, still no complaints. Very often they lack basic rights, no pension, no health insurance, no job security. They deserve more, but they keep doing their jobs regardless. They are exploited and abandoned. Some are stranded in foreign ports, no money, no supplies, no way home, and still others line up to take the same path, hoping for better. They live without comfort or connection. Many can't call home for weeks. Poor internet, cramped cabins, still they work with a smile. So why do they do it? Not for fame, not for glory, not for likes or applause. They do it because the world needs them, because they understand what duty means. It's time to say thank you. Next time you sip your coffee, shop online, fuel your car, pause for a second and say thank you, seafarers. Because without them, the world truly stops. To all the seafarers out there, we see you, we respect you, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you, seafarers.